Hi guys. I know I'm not gonna shoot. Let me take off my shoes. So guys, guess where we are? We're finally at the beach. Oh, I have the weirdest laugh. Why does it here just feel different? Why? This is my best friend Marcella.
Oh my god.
Oh, the beach. We've been here every day. Did something change? Marcella, something moved. The ocean moved. I'm convinced. Marcella, the ocean moved. It was Alice right here. Guys, I'm convinced that was not there. That was that what? Okay, we're not doing. If something is in water, I'm not going in.
This time I put on sunscreen,
Good. You don't look like a tomato when you finish with it. I already carry my sunscreen though. Oh, choo-choo. Hi guys. So guys, since y'all don't even know where we're at, just know that Antigua does not have 365 beaches. Just for a fact, they do not have 365 beaches. Yeah, I have these beaches that you cut up in very tiny little thing and call them 365 beaches.
We have 265 beaches, don't forget.
Okay, they have 365 beaches. Okay, they have 365 beaches. One beach for every day of the year. So guys, we were like all the way over there, and you walk them all the way over here to take photos, cause that's what we do.
It worked.
It's working. Good.
Phone is spilling. Ship shape. Oh my god, I'm so cringy.
So we're gonna take some photos, and I'm gonna see you back in a bit.
Ed Sheeran and Cranium. You know your body look good, good, good. So good, so good, yeah. Girl, your body good, me swear to God, you know me not like. Thinking about the shape in every way, girl, you know normal. You, me, a pray and wind up in the corner. Putting on a show, run have a place for your performance. Walk up, back a she, choke her like a maca tree. She push it back at me, apply the pressure.
How's it going, Marcella? Is it waterproof?
A wild Sabrina in her natural habitat.
Hi guys. Well, like, sour result, no.
Yes, because they want to see views, not you.
Whoa!
I think I got them. Okay.
That's cool. So guys, we're going back over to, I don't even know, like all the way
Back there.
over to what? We're going all the way back over to where we were in the beginning. So I'm gonna see you in 15 minutes.
At least it showers than most people that I know. Oh yeah.
We're here. Guys, she's gonna test out something's under the water and I don't want to go out there. She's going to check what it is.
Yeah, it's one of those, but it's very small.
Okay, we're gonna dive out. We're not going over there. Nope, 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 nope. Let's enjoy. Yeah.
There.
I hate Marcelo. This is why I don't want to go in the ocean. You're afraid of me. Yeah, we're just sitting on the shore. Ooh. It's like a joyride.
I don't want to be knocked by the water.
Ooh. Okay guys, so that basically concludes our beach day. Oh, I'm cold. We're probably just gonna dry off, change our clothes, and go back home to sleep. Me knowing me, I'm not gonna sleep. I'm probably gonna watch K-drama or something. So, why are you laughing? I saw you. Share the joke with me.